Dialogue. This dialogue is between Lucas, a patient, and Dr. Williams, a doctor. Lucas has recently undergone surgery and is discussing his recovery and concerns. The dialogue begins now.
Good afternoon, Lucas. How have you been feeling since the surgery?
Bon après-midi, docteur. J'ai un peu de douleur et je ressens la région sensible et enflée, surtout aux articulations.
That's normal after surgery. Swelling and some discomfort are common, but let me know if the pain becomes unbearable or if the area feels very hot.
Je comprends, mais je suis aussi inquiet des complications possibles, comme des caillots de sang. Devrais-je m'en préoccuper?
Blood clots are a risk, but we're monitoring you closely. I'll prescribe some medication to help prevent clots, and I suggest you avoid sitting still for too long.
Merci beaucoup. J'ai hâte d'être autorisé à sortir de l'hôpital bientôt, mais je ne veux prendre aucun risque.
I understand. We'll make sure everything is in order before discharging you. For now, focus on prevention measures like gentle movement and taking your prescribed medicine.
Hey, if you are enjoying this content and would like to see more and support my channel, please hit the subscribe button.
D'accord, mais une autre chose. J'ai la gorge super sèche et c'est vraiment gênant. Est-ce que c'est normal?
Yes, the dryness could be a side effect of the medicine or the operation itself. Drink plenty of water, and if it doesn't improve, let me know immediately.
Je vais faire ça. Vous savez, j'étais tellement stressé avant l'opération que je me demandais si ce n'était pas de l'hypocondrie ou juste mon imagination. Mais la douleur était bien réelle.
It's common to feel that way. Surgery can be a big concern for many patients. Rest assured, everything went well, and we're here to support you through your recovery.
Merci beaucoup, docteur. Maintenant, je me sens plus rassuré.
You're very welcome, Lucas. We'll continue monitoring, and you'll be discharged as soon as you're ready.